Hello and welcome back to Gaming to the Coder, the show where I am on a mission to replace gaming with programming. In case you missed last week's episode, I created my own project, which was an event countdown application that allows the user to input an event and its date, and then tells the user how many days it is until said event, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This week, I was back to the free code camp JavaScript tutorials, picking up new concepts. I started off with this decimal to binary converter, which also included this cool call stack animation to help my understanding of the call stack. The tutorial taught me the basics of recursion and also the set timeout function, which gave me a glimpse of asynchronous programming. Next was this Roman numeral converter. This was one of FreeCodeCamp's certification projects where you are not given any of the code and do it all yourself. Figuring out the conversion was definitely quite challenging and it took me quite a while. However, in the end, this is how I achieved it. Firstly, I created an object containing the known Roman numerals as keys and their Arabic numeral conversion as the value. Then I first did a little bit of validation to ensure the user's input was not empty, is greater than 0 and less than 4,000. Next, I created a variable called remaining, which I set to the value the user had inputted, and a variable called Roman numeral, which I set to an empty string. Then I created a while loop that runs until remaining is less than 0, or is 0. Inside this loop, the Roman numerals object is looped through using the object.entries function. Inside this loop, there is an if statement, which checks if the remaining amount is greater than or equal to the Arabic value. If it is, then the Roman numeral of the Arabic value is appended to the Roman numeral variable. Remaining is set to remaining minus the Arabic value, and if remaining is still greater than 0, the loop starts again from the beginning. And this might sound a bit confusing, but it does work, trust me. But anyway, that's all for this week. I've not had too much time this week, and the Roman numerals calculator took quite a lot of the time up. But I'm super happy with the way it turned out because it definitely took quite a while to grasp. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.